Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to study a part of biology known as skeleton. Without this skeleton, animals including human beings would have been like a sack. But through skeleton, animals have the shapes they have today. Human beings have the shape they have today. So skeleton means the framework of the body on which the body is built. Skeleton also deals with various structures in the body of an organism that provide support, shape, and even protection to delicate organs and tissues in such organism. In this channel, we are going to study this skeleton with questions and answers for better understanding. In the first question we have here, the question says, the longest bone in a human being is called dash. A. Humerus. B. Atlas. C. Femur. D. Pelvic girdle. In this question, the correct answer is C. Femur. So femur is the longest bone found in human beings. The next question says, hematopoiesis is associated with dash. A. Skeleton. B. Nervous system. C. Excretion. D. Excretory system. In this question, the correct answer is A. Skeleton. So the word hematopoiesis deals with production of blood cells, and production of blood cells such as red blood cells take place in the bone marrow. The next question says, the number of bones in an adult human being is dash. A. 347. B. 280. C. 206. D. 421. In this question, the correct answer is C. 206. This 206 is the approximate number of bones in an adult human being, according to scientists. The next question says, the number of bones in a newborn baby is greater than the ones in an adult. A. True. B. False. C. All of the above. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. True. So, the fact is that the number of bones in a newborn baby is greater than the number that can be found in an adult. What brings about the reduction of these bones in an adult is that those bones in newborn babies are soft bones. So as the baby grows, the two or more soft bones will join together to form a single bone, and as the baby keep on growing, these bones keep on joining to form a single bone, and that will finally lead to the reduction of the number of bones found in an adult. The next question says, the skeletons of terrestrial animals are more elaborate than the aquatic ones because A. Air is more mobile than water. B. Water contains more nutrients than air. C. Movement is much easier in air than in water. D. Density of water is greater than air. In this question, the correct answer is D. Density of water is greater than air. The next question says, the bone in the neck on which the skull rests is called dash. A. Axis. B. Atlas. C. Humerus. D. Femur. In this question, the correct answer is B. Atlas. This bone called atlas is a bone found within the neck region of the body, and this bone is a bone on which the skull rests. The next question says, the joint of a skeleton that allows bone movement in only one plane is dash. A. Ball and socket joint. B. Gliding joint. C. Hinge joint. D. Vertebral joint. In this question, the correct answer is C. Hinge joint. So this hinge joint is a type of movable joint that allows bone movement in one direction. And studies have shown in human skeleton that the bones in this joint move only in one direction. The bones there move like hinged doors and windows. The next question says, the two halves of the pelvic girdle are joined together at the dash. A. Humerus. B. Ilium. C. Obturator foramen. D. Pubis. In this question, the correct answer is C. Obturator foramen. This structure, this part called obturator foramen, is the parts of the body where the two halves of the pelvic girdle are joined together. The next question says, the axial skeleton is made up of dash. A. Skull, ribs, vertebral column and sternum. B. Skull, humerus, vertebral column and ribs. C. Sternum, clavicle, ribs and vertebral column. D. Femur, breastbone, ulna and skull. In this question, the correct answer is A. So, the axial skeleton is made up of some bones known as skull, ribs, vertebral column and sternum. The next question says, the process of shedding the exoskeleton of an arthropod is known as dash. A. Metamorphosis. B. Ecdysis. C. Locomotion. D. Injection. In this question, the correct answer is B. Ecdysis. This process, called ecdysis or molting, is the process whereby the exoskeleton of an organism is removed from its body. And this process, as we have said, can also be regarded as molting. Many insects grow through this process. As they shed their outer skeleton or exoskeleton, it will encourage them to grow. The next question says, hydrostatic skeleton is the type of supporting system found in dash. A. Arthropods. B. Mammals. C. Reptiles. D. Oligochaetes. In this question, the correct answer is D. Oligochaetes. Oligochaetes are a group of organisms that have soft body. So, hydrostatic skeleton is the type of skeleton observed in soft-bodied organisms such as earthworms and other members of oligochaetes. This type of skeleton ensures that those organisms move from one place to another. The next question says, the transition from amphibians to mammals involves the limbs becoming arranged to support the body weight more effectively, requiring modifications in the dash. A. Scapula and clavicles. B. Vertebrae and sternum. C. Collarbones and coccyx. D. Pectoral and pelvic girdles. In this question, the correct answer is D. Pectoral and pelvic girdles. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if this is the first time you are watching our video to get other videos where we treat other topics in biology.